내일 봐요. 내일 봐요. What does this phrase mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is BWAYO. Because today, we're going to study about the word BWAYO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 268. 봐요. 봐요. This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is 봐, and the second syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 봐요. 봐요. The word 봐요 means see, or the present tense action of seeing. 봐요 came from the root verb 보다, and it is transformed into its present tense form and it became 봐요. How do you write 봐요 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable, 봐. First, we need to draw a beep character followed by the o character followed by an a character. And if you notice, the wa sound is formed from the combination of the o and a sound. So, that's 봐. And I hear a lot of Koreans pronounce this as ba instead of ba. Anyway, for the next syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder ing followed by the yo character itself. And then, when we combine the hangul for each of these two syllables, we can now write the hangul of the word 봐요. Now let's try to look at this example English sentence. It says, see you tomorrow. Again, see you tomorrow. The Korean translation of this sentence is 내일 봐요. Again, 내일 봐요. Or as some Korean says, 내일 봐요. This sentence could be divided into two parts. The first part is 내일, which means tomorrow. The second part is 봐요 or 봐요, which means see, or the present tense action of seeing. So when we combine this, 내일 봐요 means see you tomorrow, or to see each other tomorrow. And if we will look back at this example English sentence or phrase that is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that 내일 봐요 means see you tomorrow. And with that, you've just learned 봐요. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 258 to 267. But don't forget our word for today, word number 268, 봐요, which means see. Word number 267 is 먹어요, which means eat. Word number 266 is 가요, which means go. Word number 265 is Dongsaeng, which means younger sister. Word number 264 is Dongsaeng, which means younger brother. Word number 263 is 맛없어요, which means not tasty or not delicious. Word number 262 is 맛있습니다, which means delicious in a formal manner. Word number 261 is 먹었어요, which means eat. Word number 260 is 갔어요, which means went. Word number 259 is 날씨, which means weather. And the last word for our review is word number 258, 좋네요, which means good in a surprise manner. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.